Last question on the paper. Ella invests £7,000 for 2 years in an account paying compound interest. In the first year, the rate of interest is 3%. In the second year, the rate of interest is 1.5%. Work out the value of Ella's investment at the end of 2 years. 3-mark question. Compound interest. So we're looking, so I'm just going to write that. And it's money in the bank and it's going up, but it's going up in 2 steps. So we're looking at the first year and the second year. So we've got the original, the multiplier, which is based on the interest, and the number of years is the power. So the original amount at the start of the first year is £7,000. The multiplier 3%, and you can divide it by 100 if that with your calculator. That's what we're doing, 0.03. And this is 0.015. Really good idea with this, if you're not sure, is to put this into your calculator. We are dividing by 100. So this one here is the one we want. This is the first year, 0.03, and it's only 1 year. So we actually don't need to put this 1 into our calculator. It'll just be 7,000 multiplied by 0.3. $210. Oh, that's not right. Right. I thought it was 210, but that's the interest that is there on the first year. But I need it to be the compound interest. I need to see the whole thing. So what I forgot was that actually I need to put that 100% in there first. So 3% is actually, we're looking at the original plus 3%, which is 103%, and therefore the multiplier is 1.03. Okay, good idea to look. I didn't start with 7,000 and end up with 210. So let's try that again. 7,000 multiplied by 1.03. 7,210, much better. 7,210. I've got more money after the first year. But this is the amount that we start with in the second year. So we don't start with 7,000, we start with 7,210 multiply this time 100 and 1.5. If you're not sure, 101.5 divided by 100 equals that 1.015. 1.015, and we multiply that by 7,210, and that equals £7,318.15, and that is what I put here. Let me just check. Work out the value of Ella's investment. That's right. Sometimes it says what's the interest that she's earned, in which case you'd have to subtract 700 from this number, and that would be £318.15. Make sure, because it's money, we do it, we round it if necessary. We don't have to do it here, but we round it to 2 decimal places. Population of a town increased 9% between 2018 and 2019. The population in 2019 was this number here. Calculate the population in 2018. Okay, so this is a reverse percentage question. What have we got? We've got the population here. We've got so we know in 2019 the population is 165,680. That is 100%. of what we're trying to work out, the population 2018, plus 9%. So here, what we've got here is the whole thing. The new total is 109%. So if 109% is 165,680, we want to get to 100%. So I'm actually going to go, I'm going to go to 1%, and then I'm going to go up to 100%. So I'm going to divide by 109, and then I'm going to multiply by 100. I do the same here. One, 6, 5, 6, 8, 0. And then I'm going to divide by 109, 1520. Is that right? Yes. It's a really small number, but I'm going to multiply it by 100 in a minute. 1520. And then I'm going to multiply that by 100. Good idea to use your calculator, at least to check your number. Equals 152000. How does this number compare to the original number? Well, it's a bit less, and that's what we want. It's a bit less because the town was increasing. It started at 2018, which is the number that I want out at the answer of this question. I'm then adding my 9%, which gives me a number that's slightly higher.